Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got a Birchbox November unboxing to share with you, and this is what the box looks like. It's a Frozen box, or Frozen 2, the film. So it looks like a really cute box, really lovely. As always, if you want to know a little bit more about Birchbox, I will just give you a quick lowdown. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what products I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Birchbox is a monthly beauty box. This is Birchbox UK. It costs £12.95 a month and you can cancel any time. Now inside the box contains 5 beauty products. They tend to be more deluxe minis or sample sizes. We have sometimes had full-size items, but they tend to be mainly like masks or like makeup brushes, things like that. So the value of the box is always going to be higher than the actual cost of the box, but the products themselves aren't usually very high in retail value for the size that you get. Basically, this is a chance for you to try products that Birchbox sell on their website, and if you like the products then you can go on to purchase them at full size. And also, if you're a subscriber for more than 6 months, you become a VIP, which entitles you to receive £15% off any purchases you make on the Birchbox website. But saying that, it's hard not to compare it to other subscription boxes around the same sort of price bracket. Yeah, it is quite hard. Some boxes are better than others. Last month my Birchbox was amazing. I absolutely loved it, and I think it's my most favourite Birchbox I've had for a long while. So yeah, so it can be hit and miss, but we're all different. What I might like, you might not like, and vice versa. So yeah, if you're not sure about Birchbox, then I have got a back playlist, so you're welcome to take a look at previous videos to sort of gauge the type of things that you do get in them. But yeah, so you're welcome to do that if you want to. In the leaflet that you'll see inside this box, on the back you will have a sneak peek for the following month. Now sometimes the sneak peek will be a choice of 2 items, and you'll get a chance to choose what shades you want. I've had a look at this box already because I have already filmed this, but it went wrong, so I'm having to redo it again. Never mind. So anyway, I've seen it all, and the sneak peek for December are 2 eyeshadow palettes, and there's 2 different shades. Now they don't do this monthly, but they do it quite regularly. So they might say to you, right, you'll have a choice between, say, a like coral shade blush or a pinky shade blush, and if you subscribe you'll get an email then asking you which one you'd prefer. If you don't reply, then you just get sent a random one. I'll show you the eyeshadow palettes that you'll get to choose from for next month. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I think they've got a deal on at the moment where if you take out a subscription you get a free spray. Is it a pixie spray, like a setting primer type spray? I think I've seen that. I don't think I've dreamt it. I'm sure I've seen it somewhere. If I can find anything like that, or any codes, or I've got a refer a friend code which entitles you to £5 off your first box. But if I can find other different codes, like you might prefer the pixie spray if you want to take this subscription out. So I'll pop loads of information down below. So underneath this video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up description, and everything and anything I can find I'll pop down there, so you're welcome to take a look. So yeah, let's get on to opening it up and seeing what we got inside. So there's the leaflet, and these are the products. You can see a face mask, but there you go. Ooh. So it says, this November we're delighted to have teamed up with Disney to celebrate the release we've all been waiting for, Frozen 2. Just like Birchbox, the film celebrates adventurousness, strong women, and the importance of friendship, so we think it's a perfect match. So on the back it's got a sneak peek for December, so those are the different palettes you can get to choose from. So I think because I've got a few palettes now of these shades, I think I'm going to choose this one, see what they are like. So yeah, so that's for December. So the first item is the full-size item, and it's a sheet mask, and this is by Incredible, and it's a unicorn sheet mask. And what's it say here? Sparkle like a unicorn, illuminating sheet mask, and it's for tired or dull skin. And it says with vitamins B3, B5 and lemon fruit extracts. So there's that, and the recommended retail price for this is £5, and it says here, brighten, lift dead skin cells, tighten pores and plump. Peel off the mask, apply it to clean dry skin. After 15 minutes peel it off and massage in any leftover serum. So that's the first item there. Next product is a conditioner by the brand Chlorane. I think that's how you say it, Chlorane. This is a nourishing conditioner with mango butter for dry hair, and it's 50 ml. Now I've never heard of this brand before, but it sounds absolutely gorgeous. I think anything that says butter in it for your hair, it just instantly sort of makes me think, ooh, nice and luxurious and creamy, and yeah, just really lovely. But mango butter, oh, I did have a sniff of this in my other video. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Proper full-on mango smell. So I can't wait to try that. The recommended retail price for the full size is £10. The moisturising and detangling formula helps to improve softness and shine. Plus it's sulfate free to keep your strands happy and healthy. So there's that. Then we got skin serum, and this is by Balance Me, and it's 100% natural. We've got 7 mils here, and it's congested skin serum. And when I first saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, that rings a bell. I've had this before, but I've never seen this packaging. So I think it's brand new packaging for Balance Me, or unless this is the packaging that is on like the samples or the travel sizes, because I've never received any of these that looks like this. Unfortunately, it's not for me. I always give it to my cousin or my daughter who has got like acne prone skins. So yeah, it's not a product for me, unfortunately, because I haven't got acne prone skin anymore. I'm on medication. So that helps for that. But yeah, so I'm a bit gutted with that, but it's supposed to be a really nice product. But let's see what it says here. Yeah, it says here the recommended retail price for the full size is £16. That is what the packaging's supposed to look like. And I have had mini ones like this that look like that, so I don't know why this one looks like this. I'm blabbing. Let's see what it says. Fortunately, whether it's one pimple or a blemish battlefield, this soothing serum works to balance your skin and refine pores. Smooth on a thin layer before you moisturise, or dab directly onto blemishes as a spot treatment. So there's that. Next we've got a lip liner, and this is by the brand Bodyography. I've never heard of that before. Bodyography, and this is in shade Timber. So a really nice shade there, really pretty. And yeah, when I tried this out earlier on, I was impressed. I really like it. As you can see there. So yeah, a really nice shade that will go with a lot of my lipsticks, so I'm quite chuffed to have that. Oh sorry, this is the second full-size item. So we've got 2 full-size items in this box, and this is one of them, and it is £11. And it says here, the super creamy coconut oil and vitamin E rich formula helps it glide on smoothly, and it keeps your colour from bleeding, feathering or moving outside the lines. So there's that. And then lastly, we got a little mini lipstick. This is by a brand Lise Wattier. I think Lise Wattier, I'm not too sure. And this is in shade Gingerbread. So that's what it looks like there. This is lovely lipstick, really pretty colour, but it is super tiny. It is so small. That is really dinky. Just show you what it looks like on my skin. It'll work well with the lip liner. You can sort of blend the lip liner into it. That's really pretty. It is nice. It's quite a sheer lipstick, so it looks more like a glossy type of lipstick, if you know what I mean. So not really highly pigmented, but a really nice tone, and I just think it'd be quite nice on the lips there. So it says here that this is obviously a mini, but the full size is £23. Lise Wattier's Rouge Gourmand Lipstick. It's ultra comfortable formula, simultaneously hydrates, softens and plumps your lips. Swipe on the rich creamy shade straight from the bullet for a hint of peach. So there's that. So I'll just gather them all up. So these are the 5 products inside November's Birchbox. We've got a face mask, we've got a hair conditioner, we've got a skin serum, and then we've got a lipstick and a lip liner. So yeah, looking at these products, there's a few items that I'm excited about. I absolutely love the smell of this conditioner, so I can't wait to see what that's like on my hair and to read a little bit more about it to see what the ingredients are and everything. So hopefully it's all nice and natural and I can apply it to my hair. But then we've got the lipstick and the lip liner, which is lovely. They go both sort of blend in together nicely. The skin serum, I'm going to give it away, and the mask, I think I've got quite a few of these now. I'm not sure if I've actually got this one though, but I do like masks, and I do like the Incredible masks as well. The masks don't really excite me anymore. I think it's because I've just got a lot of them, and I do use them. I use them about 2 or 3 times a week, so I do use them regularly, but I do have quite a lot of them. So yeah, so I think overall it's an okay box. There's some products that I like. You know, it's not a box that I think, no, there's nothing there for me. So it's not a wasted money box at all. So I am quite chuffed with it, but it's not a wow box. It's not a really like, whoa, that is an amazing box. Not like last month's box, what I felt like last month's box was like. But I'm curious to see what you think of this box, and whether you subscribe, whether you enjoy receiving these boxes, or whether you think, nah, you've had enough now and you're going to stop. All your thoughts and and opinions. I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.